Today, we will be talking about interactions in ecosystems. The sun is an essential abiotic element in most ecosystems. The two forms of energy from the sun are light and heat. They are both important to most life forms on Earth. Plants are called producers. Producers can make their own food to supply the matter and energy they need to survive. Producers use a process called photosynthesis to make food. Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that takes place in the leaves of green plants when the sun's light is present. The green color, visible in most leaves, is a compound called chlorophyll, which is needed in the chemical reaction. Through photosynthesis, producers combine carbon dioxide and water from the soil. This combination forms a sugar product called glucose and a waste product called oxygen. The oxygen is released back into the air through tiny pores in the plant's leaves. All ecosystems have producers, and they have three main roles in an ecosystem. Firstly, they produce oxygen. Secondly, they supply food. And thirdly, they provide shelter. Oxygen is one of the basic needs of all living things. Producers are the only biotic elements that can make their own food. All other living things must find food to eat in order to get all of the matter and energy they need to survive. All other living things in an ecosystem rely on feeding interactions to supply their food need. These organisms are known as consumers because they have to consume other organisms. Consumers could not exist in an ecosystem without producers. Consumers are classified by the types of living things they eat. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Carnivores are animals that eat mostly meat. And omnivores are animals that eat both meat and plants. One type of interaction in an ecosystem is the one between a carnivore and the animal it eats. An animal that is hunted for food is called the prey. The animal that hunts and consumes the prey is called the predator. When a coyote eats a deer, the coyote is the predator and the deer is the prey. Decomposers